here at React India.
I'm Kent C. Dodds, and my talk here at React India was Abracadabra, React and the Vanishing Network. And I love it here at React India. This is my second time. I want to come every year. It's fabulous. Thank you so much for having me, React India.
I talked about the need for revisiting the Agile Manifesto into an AI-assisted Agile, and also adopting new ways of working, like the methodology needs to sort of evolve. How we should transform software development lifecycle in the age of AI.
The topic that I had actually chosen is WASM, how we can actually use it in JavaScript. Should we replace it? Is it a replacement?
Today I talked about the React compiler at React India. We announced the beta version of the React compiler, which is now available today. The changes that we made to the React compiler and get feedback on how everyone's using React, and for us to learn from their experiences and improve React for everyone.
My talk was about how you can encrypt the data in the browser with the help of web crypto APIs to enhance the security of your web apps. And I really loved the energy of the audience. First ever conference talk in 2021, and I'm super excited to be back in 2024. So yeah, I'm really having an amazing experience, and I would like to come back next year.
So I was giving a talk on how you can use NX to superpower your your React workspace basically. So how you can use Next.js Remix and everything all together in a single workspace.
I just finished my talk on hosting Next.js on Cloudflare. This conference really exceeded my expectations. I had a really great time connecting with developers who have similar issues, and it was very interesting to see how they're solving their problems.
I gave a talk today on what's changing with React with the newest version in React 19. So I'm so excited to be back here, and the experience has been amazing. The team has been awesome, the energy of the people has been great, and all the talks have been amazing.
My talk was about web workers and how web workers give you the capability to have multi-threaded applications in React. This is my first time here, and the energy here is electric.
Time we would not just make a video with code, we would make an entire video editor with code. So I tried to lay out all of the steps in about half an hour, so yeah, I had to talk quite fast.
Today, I gave a talk on machine learning in React Native, how you can integrate AI into your React Native application. The best thing was networking with the fellow speakers, fellow attendees. That was something which you don't find anywhere.
My talk at React India was about React Native and how we use it at Dream11 to power our app and provide seamless experience across both platforms. The venue and the location and everything was really great. So yeah, overall it was really nice. Looking forward to next year.
And today our talk was on supercharging dev workflow using AutoGPT and React Flow.
I think the audience was supercharged when we did the demonstration. It was a really great experience. We are really stoked about all the talks that happened. Thank you.
We have a session around automated performance monitoring on front-end application. I'd like to thank React India for giving me this opportunity where I can explain my experience, where I can share my insights. I had the privilege to meet a lot of beautiful people here. almost all of the front-end developers would want to host their sites or apps somewhere at some point, right? That's how you get these things out into the world. And my talk was enabling them to do this in a much more efficient way. I just spoke about how to use Svelte in React. It's harnessing the titans of animation and performance, but it's actually Svelte in React. I'm at React India. I've had an absolutely great experience. See you next year. We are here to introduce first of its kind a developer account offering for the Indian audience. It's exclusive for the Indian audience. If you are contemplating to come to React India next year, absolutely, it is a great arena as well. It's a great location, Goa.
I was talking about APIs, where some APIs can be bad, some APIs can be good, how to look out for them, how do you get better at it. Slowly onto building it, we realized that we're building something that is very efficient, very tiny, and it's something that 1MG has been using for about 4 years, and we did the first public beta launch at React India.
My talk was about React compilers, the good and the bad parts. The best thing about the community here is I gave the compiler talk in front of the person who built the compiler, Satya, and there are a lot of good people around here. The best part is like you get to talk with people like Satya, Kenzie Dodd, Johnny, who created the React Remotion. The community is very welcome, even the members are very helpful.
So I gave a talk today, and this talk was about a couple of memory leak stories with Flipkart.com that I've seen and I've been part of. And so the experience has been great. Like even on the second day, the talks were just amazing.
And I'm doing a talk on React server components and AI and how we can use React to actually make AI better than just chatbots. And I get to meet all my friends, all the people I look up to and learn from. It's constant learning, networking, and joy. So I'm really excited to be here.